Hello friends, again it's the time for ICSE questions solving. Now this is the second part of the 25 years ICSE that I have planned for you. This is the part 2. There are questions from 2005, there are questions from 2004 and so on. So if you really want to share my videos so that maximum number of people can be reached, please do it for now. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, please do that. This is question number 1. Give the location and the functions of. The first one is meninges. The location is given, the function is given over here. You can see meninges. Where is meninges present? These are the membranes present in the center, on the surface of central nervous system. So these are protective membranes. This is the location. Protective membranes over the brain and the spinal cord. Now its function is to protect the CNAs from mechanical injury and shocks. Number 2 is lenticels. Location of lenticels is in the stem epidermis of the woody plants. Function is gaseous exchange and lenticular transpiration. Number 3, chordae tendineae. Have you heard of this? Present in the heart. Where exactly? The location is given over here. It is attached to the walls of papillary muscles of the heart. Function is it holds the atrioventricular valves in position, preventing their upturning. Number 4 is amnion. Amnion is the innermost protective placental coat over the embryo. Function is its cavity contains amniotic fluid which cushions and protects the embryo against mechanical injury and shocks. Number 5 is thylakoids. Now thylakoids are located in each granum of the chloroplast. Function is to contain chlorophyll and perform photosynthesis. Now question number 2. Complete the following table by filling the blank spaces. The glands are given, the secretions and effects on the body. These are endocrine glands. Now in this one, in the first one, number 1, you have to write the secretion is given here as estrogen and effect on the body is number 2. Let us solve the first one then. From where is estrogen secreted? This is the gland is ovary, and effect on the body. What does estrogen have effect on the body? It helps in development of Graafian follicle and also influencing the secondary sexual characters in females. Number 2, glands here, alpha cells of pancreas. The secretions is number 3. And the effect on the body is number 4. So number 3 is glucagon. Glucagon is the hormone produced by alpha cells of pancreas, and its effect on the body is to perform glycogenolysis, means breaking down of glycogen into glucose. Next question is 5 and 6 are given over here, and this effect on the body is already given as protruding eyes. Now protruding eyes are actually due to the thyroid gland and the oversecretion of thyroid. Protruding eyes is the symptom of exophthalmic goiter. In the gland part, the next is lacrimal gland. The secretions is number 7. Effect on the body is number 8. Lacrimal gland secretes tears. These are present in the eyes. Effect on the body. The tears lubricate the eyes, and the lysozyme present inside the tears, lysozyme, it kills the bacteria. These are bactericidal enzymes actually. Now again, the next question is glands, number 9, secretions, number 10. Effect on the body is gigantism. The gigantism itself shows that the hormone, growth hormone, the secretion is growth hormone and the gland is anterior pituitary. Coming to the next question. This is a box. Given below is a box and a set of 11 terms of the given pair. One has been done for you as an example. Write the remaining pairs. So what are the things given over here? Vein, kidney, artery, androgen, water pollutants, myopia, Leydig cells, narrow lumen, uriniferous tubule, insecticides, concave lens. The example given here is this myopia. This fits well with which part? Concave lens. The remedy for myopia is concave lens. So this is the example. Others you have to search out. Now here you can find kidneys. The kidneys match with uriniferous tubules. This one. Artery. Here artery has narrow lumen. This one. Narrow lumen. Isn't it? Coming to the next part, insecticides. Insecticides cause water pollution, so they are water pollutants over here. So this whole thing is done. Coming to the next part of the question. This is from 2004. The questions are, number 1 is, name 2 animals having 19 pairs of chromosomes. 2 animals, there can be many animals having 19 pairs of chromosomes. Out of them you have to write only 2. Sheep, cat, lions, pigs, sea otters, etc. All of them having 19 pairs of chromosomes means 38. B is differentiate between genotype and phenotype. The external morphological characteristics is known as phenotype and the internal genetic constituents of an individual is called genotype. C. This is a question. In a certain species of animals, black fur, capital B, is dominant over brown fur, small b. Now you have to predict a genotype and phenotype of the offspring when both the parents are capital B, small b, this type, or having heterozygous black fur. This, the parental generation, both are having heterozygous black fur. When they are crossed, their gametes are capital B and small b, here also capital B and small b. They are crossed to get 1 capital B, 2 capital B, small b, and 1 small b, small b. So this is black, this is black, this is black, and this is brown. Ratio of black is to brown is then 3:1, and the genotype ratio is BB is to B, capital B, small b is to small b is equal to 1:2:1. This is Mendelian ratio. Question number 2a. Draw a label diagram of the longitudinal sections of the kidneys. Now this is a rough sketch. You can do it like this, but you have to label it properly. This is the cortex. This part is pyramid, these broom shaped structures, the fibrous. In between these, this is renal column. Now this is cortex, so inner part is medulla. Now the outer surface is called renal capsule, and this one is, this portion is known as renal pelvis. Question number B. Briefly describe the formation of glomerular filtrate. Now explanation is, blood enters the glomerulus since afferent arteriole enters it and efferent arteriole leaves it. Now more blood enters the glomerulus and less blood goes out because there is a difference in diameter. The diameter of afferent arteriole is larger than that of the efferent arteriole. Therefore, a hydrostatic pressure develops inside, which causes the liquid part of the blood to filter out from the glomerulus into the Bowman's capsule. This is the formation of glomerular filtrate. Question number C. Explain or define osmoregulation. Osmoregulation. Osmo means osmotic pressure and regulation means regulation, the maintenance. So it is the maintenance of osmotic pressure of blood and also the regulation of ion balance in the blood. It is osmoregulation. Which organ helps in this process? Our kidneys. That's all for today. Please subscribe my channel and share this video to as many people as possible. Thank you so much.